Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Dodge Ram 1500. Before you begin, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a socket set, wrenches, and a jack with jack stands. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery cable first. Then, carefully lift your truck and secure it properly with jack stands to provide a safe working environment underneath. Once your truck is safely elevated, locate the starter motor. It's usually found on the driver's side, near the transmission bell housing. You'll see two main electrical connections, a large battery cable and a smaller solenoid wire. Carefully disconnect these wires. Next, use the appropriate socket to remove the two mounting bolts that hold the starter in place. Support the starter as you remove the last bolt to prevent it from falling. Now, take your new starter and carefully position it into the mounting location. Align the bolt holes and hand-tighten the mounting bolts first to ensure proper alignment. Once snug, use your wrench to fully tighten them, but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the main battery cable and the smaller solenoid wire to the new starter, ensuring they are secure and tight. Double-check all connections for a firm fit. With the new starter installed and all connections secure, it's time for the final steps. Carefully lower your Dodge Ram 1500 from the jack stands. Reconnect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal, ensuring it's tight. Before starting, do a quick visual check of all your work. Then, attempt to start your engine. If everything was done correctly, your truck should now crank over and start smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.